Hi, my name is Saurabh Kalra and today we are going to unbox CP Plus EasyFi kit. CP Plus EasyFi kit consists of wireless NVR with two antennas, we are also getting two dome cameras which are wireless, two bullet cameras. These all four cameras are totally wireless, and we are also getting a box of accessories with it which contains power adapters, LAN cable, mouse and other accessories which are required for the connectivity of the cameras and the NVR. We are also provided with network video recorder operation guide and one quick start guide for the better understanding of the product and its features and functionality. This is a 2 MP wireless bullet camera. This is 2 MP Wi-Fi dome camera which is also having an inbuilt audio in it. Both the cameras are provided with a wireless antenna. In total, we have wireless NVR with two antenna, 2 MP 2 dome cameras that are also wireless with antenna, and 2 MP bullet cameras which are also wireless and they also have antenna with them for the better connectivity with wireless NVR. Wireless NVR have a high quality power adapter and a mouse to do the operations on the NVR. Similarly, we have power adapters for each and every camera to provide the power. Now we are going to install the NVR and the wireless camera. So here we are provided with the high quality power adapter for the NVR. We need to connect this adapter on the power port, and these are the antennas which need to be connected with the wireless NVR. Which is to be connected on the front panel of the NVR. These are the power adapters which are provided for the wireless cameras. Each camera needs to be connected with the power adapter, and this antenna needs to be connected on the wireless antenna port of the camera. We have connected adapters with all the cameras and the NVR, and now we are going to connect HDMI cable from NVR to the display to get the view of the NVR and the cameras. Two dome cameras I am going to connect it here, and the rest of the two bullet cameras I am going to connect them outside. Now we have installed all the setup, and as we can see, the interesting part of this product is that it is a plug and play device. So the cameras will automatically gets connected with the NVR as soon they gets powered on. So let's wait for the cameras to get powered on. Now as you can see, two of the cameras is shown on the screen. Similarly, the other two cameras which have been installed outside are also connected with the NVR. Now the default password of the NVR is admin. So to log in the NVR, just enter admin over here in the password field. You can now explore the various options in the NVR, like as manage the EasyFi Cloud and network settings. Just do a right click over here, click on menu, and you can explore various options in the NVR, like as manage the EasyFi Cloud and network settings, etc. In the configuration part, we are provided with the network settings. Over there, we need to click on EasyFi, and here we can get the status of the EasyFi Cloud. As soon as the status of the EasyFi Cloud goes online, then we can scan the application from over here using the mobile phone scanner. For Android application, we have different QR code, and for iOS application, we have different QR code, and this is the QR code for the serial number. Most important function in this wireless NVR is face detection and face recognition. So we have already added up one face in this wireless NVR. Let's check the results. We need to just do right click and click on face comparison. Now if somebody comes in front of the camera, we can get the results of the face detection as well as face recognition. Now you can see on the screen, these are the results for the face detection, and as soon as the face gets recognized, it will show you here on the bottom of the screen. It can support up to one library with 10 faces. So that's we all have in this wireless NVR. Thank you very much.